Welcome to Mind, Body, Soul Living, a walk in nature. This is meditation 2 in the series. I'm Michelle Taylor, and today I am at one of my favourite walks, and this is Orlock Point, just outside Donaghadee, County Down. This is the amazing view that these very lucky residents can look out onto from their homes. And I think that this beautiful space here, it tells a different story every day. Today we've got a little bit of wind, the sun shining, a few clouds in the sky, but the sea is relatively calm. This is Belfast Lough we're looking over. We've got Whitehead way in the distance there, Carrickfergus up this way. And this is the lough that the ferries travel up, going to and from Liverpool, Isle of Man and Scotland. So today, just wanted us to look out onto the ocean. It's one of the places I do come to sit and contemplate or relax. Just looking and seeing what story the sea tells me today. And today, I see it reasonably calm. But underneath the surface, there is so much life that we can't see, but we know it's there. You know, we've got living, breathing, we've got moving, we've got energies underneath the surface. And it's all contained on this surface, under this surface that hides really what's going on underneath. And this is something that we all have to do in our everyday lives. You know, we have lots to contain underneath the surface, lots of energy moving and breathing, popping up every now and again like a little seal's head, just for a nosy to see what's going on. Is it safe? Is it safe to move closer? What's going on? What's going on around me? Who are these people? What is the weather like in this outside world today? And then sometimes we have rough seas, and we get things that are washed up on shore. Things that maybe need to be gathered up and recycled or released and let go of. So I just want you, as you sit calmly or maybe watch this video, just to tune in to what might be below the surface for you today. Just give it some acknowledgement. Just give your body maybe a pat or a tap, just to say, I know you're in there and I'm keeping you safe. And maybe you can come out and have a look when it's safe to do so. But for now, I know you're there. I acknowledge you. I give you attention. I send you love. with you. It's safe. It's okay. And just breathe into it. Just breathe right down into your diaphragm. And just tell those inner energies that you know they're there. You are containing them. And they're safe. Just take a few minutes just to breathe. Just be mindful of you, your surroundings, where you are, your location. And these wonderful feelings that keep us growing and moving forward and unique, because that's what we all are. We're all unique, and all these things under the surface, they're all different for every individual. And they make us all the wonderful, special people that we are. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Love and blessings from Michelle.